Everybody, Forrest here, ripping 2023 Score Football Hobby 6-box, number 5. The random results on your screen can be found anytime at LaytonSportsCards.com. We'll go ahead and get started. All right. Is bet base flipped?
Yeah, there was something.
Should be right. Just want to double check before I start ripping through all these cards.
Okay, all regular base inserts and rookies will be split.
So all regular base, rookies, and inserts are split even. You'll get anything numbered in autos of your team. Everything else is split even. Base rookies, vet base, and any non-paralleled inserts. All right. Well, if you do, good luck, Doug. That said, I'm jumping past all that vet base. It's all vet base right here. First numbered card to 50, Christian Kirk, Jaguars.
Nice.
Take the Jags. Rookie auto is Josh Downs for the Colts. First hit of the break.
It doesn't feel very scoresy.
What do you mean?
Like it looks like the design. It's just like compared to last couple of years score.
Die cut is a Devontae Smith.
Ooh.
Numbered 8 of 10 for the Eagles.
Nice.
8 of 10, followed by a Trevor Lawrence. That's a cool looking card. Franchise. The franchise Trevor Lawrence artist proof to 35.
That does look pretty sweet.
Good pack. Good box so far. Mike Williams on the showcase to 100. Treylon Burks, base auto for the Titans. Yeah, I like the design way better than last year as well, Higley. I was saying that on Wednesday when we first broke it. Got a scorecard of Harrison Smith. Got Michael Pittman Jr. scorecard for the Colts. Rookie auto, Michael Wilson, Cardinals. 3 autos already. Should be 1 more.
I mean, I like it.
Do you, Donnie? Scorecard rookie Mingo, Panthers.
Yeah.
All right. Conklin, scorecard Jets. Scorecards are parallels. Those will be sorted. Yeah. Sauce Gardner on the auto for the Jets. Sauce. For under 200 bucks, so you get 4 autos, you get numbered cards. You get so many cards as well.
Yeah, you get a lot.
Olave scorecard. Hey, appreciate that, Doug. Good luck, man. Yeah, I mean, every pack has 1 in 4 chance to hit a numbered card in Sapphire. Got Tyler Algier on the showcase to 100 for the Falcons. Last pack of box 1. Sauce graduated. That's kind of cool. Devontae Smith, scorecard Eagles.
Jalen finished his school too during the offseason. I think like either last year or year this year.
They're making me look bad. I need to go back and finish school now. no way the credit hours that I had are still like valid. Yeah, there's no way I can be like, hey, remember I was back here? Let me just finish the last couple classes. Because what I would do, I would just go in there and I would just show up every day, but I'd pay someone to do all the work for me.
I mean, well, you don't get caught, I guess.
Exactly. It's not, you can't get caught. That's it. Scorecard, Justin Simmons. There's just different things you can get in the gold and silver packs. The gold packs are like a much higher end. They're all chrome, I believe, in the gold packs, and you can get like autos more frequently, patches, things like that. The silver packs are paper cards. There's just different things inside of them. There might be checklist. There might be a checklist somewhere. Rashee Rice, rookie showcase to 100 for the Chiefs. But there he is, Dorian Thompson-Robinson. Talk of the town after first game. This break was $42.
Wait, what happened? First game? I missed all the headlines. I have no idea.
Dorian Thompson-Robinson had a good game. Browns quarterback.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Scorecard Watt for the Steelers. Break 5. Break 5. 6 box number 5. Points card coming up. Ronnie Bell, rookie numbered to 20 on the red zone for the Niners. 250, random at the end on the points card there. All right, guys, just Optic Retail and Star Wars Sapphire. That's it. Yeah. Oh yeah, against the Tracker Squad, but we gotta have something to talk about, I guess. Because everybody likes to hype up football. Like I won't be excited until week 1. I won't be excited until that first Thursday game. Or are we supposed to do a fantasy draft at some point? A.T. Perry, so. Rookie to 35 for the Saints. Well, when is that gonna happen?
I think they're trying to figure out how they want to do it, because I think it's gonna be one of those things like more people. We're gonna have more people that want to play.
I'd be down to have a co-owner because I will not be able to keep up this year. With how busy I've been, there's no chance I'll be able to keep up.
I was gonna tell Bryce that
Scorecard Pacheco. Oh God, no. That would be terrible.
We'd be at each other's throats.
Yeah. Sean and Sam should be co-owners.
That'd be rough.
Fantasy team names? I don't know. We haven't decided how it's gonna shake out.
Yeah, it's gonna be probably a last minute decision.
Got a ETN scorecard. Xavier Hutchinson on the rookie auto for the Texans. We're having a family night scrimmage. Family night scrimmage. Cam Smith, rookie scorecard, Dolphins. Scorecard, Michael Carter, Jets. Luke Kuechly, Panthers red zone auto, 6 of 10. What a hit.
That's pretty sweet.
Nice card, Panthers. Luke Kuechly.
Surprised he's still signing. Unless they already had.
He just had, I don't know.
That's pretty sweet.
I think he had some autos in last year's products too. Here and there, like not common, but.
Right.
I think we pulled a small few of those. Showcase to 100, Stephon Diggs, Bills. And a Derek Stingley Jr. auto for the Texans. All right. This is a solid break so far. Yeah, we think with how many people we have, we might have to do like co-owners. How many people do we have?
Well,
what, 10 team league and
yeah, do we have like 20 people that would want to play?
do we randomize who who the co-owners are?
I think that.
Yeah, they can't just make people play. You know what I mean? Like,
yeah. I think that'd be the most fun if we randomized who we got paired up.
oh, for sure. Yeah, we can't do it another way. We have to randomize it.
I was thinking it'd be fun if we made that content and put it on social.
No, rookies won't be in pro jerseys for a little while. I think Donruss Elite's the first auto. Gold Standard's the first auto as well. I don't know. Montgomery Lions scorecard. Got a rookie auto, Travius Hodges Tomlinson, Rams. Yeah, see there's Stroud. Usually first base.
Isn't it usually
Elite is the Elite Pen Pals is the first uniformed rookie auto.
Well, last year was different, right? Because of all the
Gold Standard might be the first RPA that's like that.
the RPA, yeah. I don't. I feel like the last year was different than normal.
St. Brown Red Zone to 20 Lions. Kinda, but Luminance will still be College Uni, I'm guessing.
I really wish they would make that a pro jersey.
I do too. Honestly, I wish it would just score like that. Yeah, Luminance is awesome. Luminance is a very good set. 4 hits a box, numbered cards.
Ooh, Forrest agrees with me. Sweet.
Gabriel Davis scorecard for the Bills.
You're the only one that supports that product besides me, Forrest.
I don't buy it. Like I don't collect it that much, but like I see the value in it. I don't. But me, I'm not a football collector really at all.
Right.
Christian Watson Packers auto. I watch football. I follow it. I'm in fantasy. I'm not a big football collector. As a Patriots fan, it's not that fun because everything is either super expensive or like
true.
Meh.
It's very true.
So I don't do a lot of football. I collect like everything else way more. I have a lot of Patriots cards, but yeah. Roquan Smith scorecard for the Ravens.
I'm gonna put my ambitions up pretty high this year, Luminance. Gonna go for the 250 base set.
Prestige. Prestige is solid too. For like a retail only release, it's pretty decent. Sometimes the inserts are cool. Chance at autos. Cam Smith scorecard rookie to 100. Dolphins. I think the first auto I ever pulled out of a pack was Prestige, and it was a Jordan Love rookie auto.
That's pretty solid.
That's pretty good. I sold it for like $90.
Nice.
That was a few months ago too.
Was
I probably could have held longer, but it was like non-numbered. It was like retail. I was like, let me just sell it. Like,
yeah.
Let me just not take a chance here. I forgot I even had. I was digging through cards. Like, oh, look at that. Chris Jones scorecard for the Chiefs. Happens to me a lot. 250 points, ran them at the end. Just be fine and stuff. Wonder what Topps gonna do with the licenses.
I don't know.
Topps Chrome football. I'll probably start collecting again. I love Topps Chrome, the brand Topps Chrome. I'd probably be collecting football pretty big if there was Topps Chrome football. 2020 Red Zone, LaDainian Tomlinson, Chargers. Finest football, Stadium Club football.
All football.
Deuce Vaughn scorecard, Cowboys. Mark Brunell, Jaguars auto. Bailey Zappi, showcase out of 100 Patriots. Yeah, I know. I know you should be talking about football. That's like some of the stuff I only buy. Like some of the stuff I buy is Topps. Like most of it. But for like new stuff. Zay Flowers scorecard for the Ravens. All right, halfway through. right. Scorecard, Devontae Adams, Raiders. Scorecard, Montgomery for the Lions. Sam Laporta on the rookie auto Lions. Rips him 89 score. Oh my goodness. That would be funny to do just some junk wax breaks. That'd be something else. Eagles, Eli Ricks, rookie artist proof to 35.
Ooh.
You just say ooh to every Eagles card?
Yep. I don't even know who Eli is. But he's the Eagles.
Wow, some fan.
After our first two rounds, just like
I'm with you. I'm with you. Trey Davius White, showcase Bills out of 100. Yeah, I was never into cards when I was younger at all, but ripping that stuff would definitely be like big nostalgia hit. Give me some like early 2000s Topps football, that'd be a lot of fun. Or like late 2000s, early 2010s. That's a sweet stuff. Khalil Mack, gold zone out of 50, Chargers. I saw a Jalen Carter base in there.
Did you?
I did.
Ooh.
Jalen Carter base, yep. It's a monster.
Will be. Once he breaks the single season rookie sack record.
Quentin Nelson, artist proof to 35, Colts. What is a single season?
I have no idea.
What is the rookie? What is the rookie sacks record?
I don't know. Probably like 12.
Like 12. I can get some sleep. When can I get sleep? I'm off tomorrow anyway. Eric Gray, scorecard Giants. I think I'm actually going to take like a day off too. Like Javonte Williams auto for the Broncos. I'll probably tune into the stream for a little bit tomorrow night, but I think I might legitimately take the day off tomorrow.
You're gonna be like, hi, bye.
Outside of the break credit stuff, but that's not like that doesn't require a lot of thinking. It just requires a lot of like clicking and like moving stuff around. So that's not too terribly difficult. The promo break credit. You got Falcons, Clark Phillips, a third scorecard rookie. Find it.
Working on it.
Donnie Data over here. Joel Bitonio, scorecard for the Browns.
What are you saying?
Data Donnie. Data Donnie. Data entry. Quentin Johnston, rookie auto Chargers. Nice first round receiver hit there for you, Chargers. Surprised he went as high as he did. But he does have a lot of potential. Who knows? Been a lot of good first round receivers recently, so maybe I'm wrong. No Colonel Sanders. Got Tariq Woolen, scorecard. The Seahawks, and a Jaden Reed, another first round receiver, rookie auto for the second rounder Jaden Reed, right? Packers rookie auto. Either way, highly drafted receiver. I know because he had an XRC.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, I think he was second. Round. Who's first round? JSN, Addison, Johnston,
Downs.
Is Downs a first rounder? No,
Flowers was.
Zay, yeah. Those are the ones right there. We just named them all. Then Reed was the second rounder. Fairly early second rounder.
No, did we say Johnston?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Johnson, Flowers, JSN, and Addison. And Mingo? Was Mingo late first or was he early second as well?
I don't think he was first. I'm not 100% sure. I don't remember.
Scorecard, Herbie, Chargers. You don't remember?
I don't remember.
Second round for Mingo. Gotcha. Those are definitely the top 6, though. That was the XRCs in 2022 Select. Scorecard of Jameis Winston, Saints. And a Paris Johnson Jr. rookie auto for the Cardinals. First rounder, right? First round tackle.
Yeah, for Arizona, I think. Right?
Yeah, he's definitely a Cardinal. I can't.
Oh, because it says Cardinal on the card. Yeah, that makes sense.
I know it's Pascal Gonzalez. Got Addison Scorecard Vikings.
I forgot this product had NFL logos on it.
Yeah, it's got the logos. It doesn't have the unis.
Yeah.
Oh, here you go, Donnie. Miles Sanders is a Panther.
Ooh. Oh.
Anthony Richardson rookie auto for the Colts.
Nice.
That's what I'm talking about. Colts. Anthony Richardson. Congrats. Congrats. I would look it up, but I don't think so. He was the first lineman taken. Gotcha, gotcha. Yeah, this is where I start to learn the NFL draft. Now that we're getting closer to the season. Zach Wilson, gold zone to 50 for the Jets.
Yep.
What's up?
That's so we're fine. We're good. We're chilling.
Michael Mayer, rookie showcase to 100 Raiders. When are they going to make score super jumbo? Bring back Circuit City? I don't know if I've ever been in a Circuit City, Vaughn.
Really?
Denzel Ward, showcase to 100 for the Browns. Yeah, I don't think I have been.
I know I definitely haven't. I just don't remember my experience.
Bring back Radio Shack and Circuit City.
I think Radio Shack.
Expand Blockbuster.
Expand Blockbuster.
Get it more than just the one. Eos Sivas rookie red zone to 20 for the Bengals. Vaughn, did you see what you hit out of during the Fanatics live breaks yesterday?
What did you hit?
I'm not gonna say it until he says yes or no. Woodson scorecard. Devin Otshane, rookie auto for the Dolphins. Alrighty. Oh, Vaughn, you missed it earlier. You missed it earlier. You would have loved the conversation.
Oh.
Vaughn, I think you hit a super fractor of Pete Alonso in Finest. You missed the Finest break, right?
Wow. That's solid.
KJ Henry, rookie auto for the Commanders. Hang on. Oh, yeah, the Pete Super, too. But Vaughn, you missed it earlier. We were doing so first started off, of course it had to start this way. We were doing Donnie's name, but in band names.
Which is obvious.
So like Don Terra, Don Talica, you know, whatever it be. Yeah, Creedons again. But then we got into giving letter grades for band names. We were grading band names.
For a long time.
Yeah, for like an entire hobby case of Chrome. Showcase to 100 Penny Sewell Lions.
It literally felt like an hour.
It was an hour.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like,
it was a full hobby case. That was fun. The only A+s we had were Red Hot Chili Peppers, Smashing Pumpkins, and Soggy Bottom Boys. Scorecard, Daniel Jones.
Forgot all about that.
Christian Watson again, Packers auto. Packers having a good break.
Yeah, it's just become like a normal at this point.
It's a thin pack. There's still like 80 cards in it, but it's a thinner pack than the others. Renfro Scorecard Raiders. This is a thick pack now. I didn't think they could get bigger. Here we are. Next year. Score Hobby. 100 cards a pack. 50 packs per box.
Oh no.
Try to bring it into the room, it just crushes you, you just die. You suffocate because you're under the score case. Damian Pierce, gold zone to 50 for the Texans. Yeah, that was a good time though. Man, dude, people were rattling off band names like crazy.
Yeah, the chat was really going.
We decided the worst band name was The Band. And like third worst was Limp Bizkit. Christian Gonzalez,
Yeah.
Scorecard Patriots.
Definitely down there.
We also found out Donnie does not like Nirvana.
Yeah, I think they're highly overrated. And I don't care what anyone thinks about it.
Oh, how ironic that we don't care what you think about it.
So I figured.
1 of 1 Joel Bitonio
wow.
printing plates. Joel Bitonio.
That's very cool.
Although I will say Donruss Soccer is worse. Donruss Soccer Hobby is worse than this.
Yeah, Donruss is rough.
It's 12 packs. It's 12 packs. But there's much bigger chase in like Donruss Soccer.
Yeah.
Tank Bigsby, Jags rookie scorecard. Best band name is Dying Fetus. I don't know about that one. Okonkwo, Titans auto. Soggy Bottom Boys is pretty fire. Oh man. All right, what about Coldplay? How would
I
you
don't really like Coldplay either.
How would you rate that band name?
Oh, like a
Carl.
C-.
Carl, you're talking about Vaughn or you're talking about Donnie? Talking about Vaughn or Don? Got Tank Dell rookie gold zone to 50 for the Texans. There's 2 tanks in this rookie class. It's kind of interesting. Tank Dell, Tank Bigsby. Yeah, Coldplay, the name is meh. We decided Slipknot was kind of an alright name. Metallica is a very good band name. King Gizzard and the Lizard Wizard was an A for me. Josh Allen scorecard for the Jags. Also A music from them. Another Sam Laporta, Lions rookie base auto. They are not, Ryan D. They are not. Another points card coming. There's Richard Sherman Seahawks scorecard. What'd you do, Donnie?
I didn't do anything. I just ran out of room.
600 points. Random at the end, which is now.
Ah.
All right. We'll do points random, then a recap. And we are sold out, by the way. So that is confirmed what someone said earlier in chat. We are sold out. Personals are full. Personals resume tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern. And more group breaks with Kyle tomorrow evening. 600, 200, 200 top 3 spots in the random to everybody here. We'll get them in that order. 1, 2, and 3. Nice. 4. Top 3 here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you got Bucks getting 600. And then Eagles and Steelers are each going to get 250. All right. No, I need those. You don't get those.
Oh.
1 of 1 printing plate, Joel Bitonio. We had autos of Laporta, Okonkwo, Watson, KJ Henry, Devin Ashane, Anthony Richardson, nice card for the Colts. Very nice card. Paris Johnson Jr., Jaden Reed, Quentin Johnston, a Javonte Williams, Sam Laporta again, Mark Brunell, Christian Watson, Travius Hodges-Tomlinson, Derek Stingley Jr., Luke Kuechly to 10, Panthers, nice hit. Xavier Hutchinson, Sauce Gardner, Michael Wilson, Treylon Burks, and Josh Downs. Thanks again, everybody. $6. Number 6 is up next.